Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a roleplay of a rainy morning routine. As you see, it's raining. It's raining right now, and I'm so sorry I haven't posted in like barely so while, because I was super duper busy I was so busy with school, and now I could post a lot of videos. Like and subscribe for me to post tons of videos. Okay, so let's start. Mommy, I'm getting a little bit tired. Yeah, me too. Ah. Then go to bed. We have to go to bed also. Come on. Let's turn the TV. Okay, come on. Everyone, let's go to bed. Oh, I can't even walk. Come on. My back very hurts. It's okay. Everyone whose back really hurts. I'm not everyone, but come on. Let's just don't mind the dad. Well, he has some lip gloss on. That's just a little decoration. Okay, it's not a decoration, but it's just. Okay, I want them all to go. Okay, okay, I'm gonna place that. Just put him in the star. Okay, everyone. Here you go. Here you go. What's your name? Oh yeah, here you go, Stacy. Okay, Mom. I'm gonna go take care of her. She goes take care. Okay, I'm gonna wear my PJs. Me too. Don't look. Don't you dare. She always looks rude of him. Should I wear this? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna wear my sock. Just put my shoes. Okay, I'm ready to go. Oh yeah, my hair clip and the bag. What do I need with the bag even? Okay, you can go. Yeah, just don't mind this. I just found it a secret in the whatever. Should I wear this? Yeah. I'm just gonna take the jacket off. Okay. Let me just put the head because it's getting a little bit, my slippers. Okay, let's go to bed. Okay, we're gonna take our shoes off because our bed will get dirty somehow. Okay, okay, come on, Stacy. Let's put you over here, but promise you will sleep, okay? Okay. Let's see what you have. Would you like to wear pants and like a shirt, or would you like to wear like these tall stuff? They're tall. Okay. I'm just gonna try to do okay. I guess you're good. Let's just put these in the laundry cause you barely wear them for days. Okay, sit over here. Okay, but I'm scared. Come with me then, but you have to walk. Okay, come on, let's go. Shut up. Okay, chill. Let's. I was there too. Ooh, where's the... Oh, yeah. Okay, let's put it in the laundry. Okay. We're just gonna put some of this. And some of this. Just put it. Okay. Let's go. Wait a minute. Stacy. Yes. What about you sleep in my room today? Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, let's go. But promise me you won't make any sort of noise. Yes, because tomorrow I have school and it's an English exam. And we have to like sleep at least at 3 o'clock in the morning. Isn't that a bit too... Okay, at 2, okay? Okay, that's good. Let's go. Why on earth does that keep happening? So like and subscribe if this keeps happening to you also. Okay, let's go. Okay. I'll see what I'll wear. Since it's a bit very cold, I want to wear like a cozy sweater. And some pants. Which pants shall I wear? I can't barely move anything. Oh! Yeah, I totally forgot I have that. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm already wearing it. Okay, let me just put my cap. I want to wear my headphones. My mom keeps saying don't wear them because they're too like colorful, but I want to wear them. Hey, would you like some of these? Yeah. But I can't. Mom doesn't say yeah. It's okay. But no. Okay, fine. No, just say. Come on, let's go, Stacy. What should we do? Should we get some snacks? Oh, that's a great idea. Wait a minute, Stacy. I wanna like put that a little bit closer. Okay, you'll sit here. Okay, I want to move that for a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Okay, Stacy. I actually want to. I don't want it, so I'll just put that over there. Okay, Stacy. Come on, I'll go bring the snacks, and you can just watch on my laptop. CoComelon, I guess. Or Miss Rachel. Yeah, I want to watch Miss Rachel. Always. Hey, Miss Rachel. Can you tell me Miss Rachel? What about CoComelon? That's better. No, Miss Rachel. Okay, I'll put you Miss Rachel. Here you go. Yay! Miss. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you're real, you show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Are you serious? You're watching Miss Rachel? Shut up. Yeah. Yay. Wait a minute. I want to put you a lamp so you don't get scared. Okay, let me just go cut that. By the way, guys, you could copy this house. I'm going to show you the house tour when Daryl play like ends. Okay, guys. This is a night routine, but no, it's not really close to the night routine. We're just making it a little bit fun, okay? So let's get the snacks. Yeah, some cupcakes. Some ice cream, juice, eek, some peanut butter. No, not peanut butter. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Oh my god! Anyways. Okay, I'm just gonna spawn a random character so it can help me, like, get the stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna spawn them. Okay, let's just remove them. Okay, I got the snacks, so let's go. Eat oak egg. When we eat the snacks, Stacy, we have to go to bed because I have school tomorrow, and you know, an English test. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay, enough, Miss Rachel. Guess what we're gonna put? What? Lily and tofu. Wait, I love Lily and tofu. Okay, let's put them. Okay, imagine the laptop is flipped in front. And you're watching now Lily and tofu. Lily and tofu, by the way, they're the best they're the best and Mimi's Toka. They're the best YouTubers. Okay, here's your cupcake. No! Did you just gulp that? Yeah. I'm just gonna eat mine. The juice. Okay. How do you open this? Can you open it for me? Yeah. Okay, here you go. Ah! Stacy! No! Okay, let's put our juices here. Here you go, you can lick some. Okay, my turn. No! Stacy, that's supposed to be mine! It's okay. Okay, let's put our juices here, and let me just go send you to sleep. With your teddy bear. Okay, with my teddy bear. Take it. I already have a toast teddy bear. Come on. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, yay! If you're happy and you know it, clap. No, dum-dum! Get back to sleep. Sleep, little baby, don't you cry. Everything is gonna be alright. Finally, gonna sleep. Okay, let's go the lights. As if all the lights are closed now, it becomes like whatever. Okay. Just wake up them a bit. Ah! What on earth is the TV open? Ugh. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay, guys, as you see, who changed? Oh, yes, Layla. As you see, guys, I need to just go to the bathroom and let me just okay, let me just flush it. Wait, I'm gonna actually flush it. Okay, I'm just gonna put some toothpaste. Get out! Come on, get out! Finally. Okay, I'm just gonna brush my teeth. And let me just put the thingy. Just gonna spray myself just a bit and brush my hair. Oh yeah, this is the cat. I mean, cat. The cat is barely downstairs, but it's not. Okay, let me show you guys my pets. This and this doggy. I found this like a clothes. As you know, it's a secret, but we're not doing secrets right now. Okay, just gonna brush my hair for a bit. Okay. I took a bath yesterday, so I don't need to take a bath one more time. Whatever. Okay. Just gonna do some of my skincare. Just gonna put them on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna use this sprayer. It's so like it makes your body so good. Just gonna buy it every day. I'm just gonna put some of this cream and some of this sprayer to make your body like shine. Last but not least, I'm just gonna take out this like thing for my like face. Okay, and that's it. That's my skincare. Just a little lip gloss. Okay, just gonna wipe the floor because I'm gonna wipe the floor for a bit. Okay, I don't have time wiping the floor right now. Oh, let me just put that there. Let me just put the kids' stander so they can stand because it's too tall for them. Okay, I'm gonna wake up my husband and the kids. Okay, honey, wake up. You're late for your work. Thanks, God you didn't slap me as always. Shut up, I don't slap you. Wait a minute, honey, what's happening to your body? Why is it white? What do you mean white? I'm always white. I'm a sunflower. Unlike you, a poop flower. Look at your body. Excuse me, not just because it's brown it has to be poop. You're wearing brown, so you're poop. Ha, 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 ha. Shut up. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. I'm not doing skincare like them. Please, done. Just don't need to wipe that. Just gonna use the toothbrush. Okay, I don't know what's happening and I don't know why this happens every time, but okay, let me just wash my hands. I like her. She never washes her hands. Come on, open. Okay, let's just close the water. Okay, I took a bath yesterday, so I don't need to take a bath another time. I'm just gonna wipe my face. Okay, and then get dressed. Okay, while he's doing his skincare. Okay, just kidding, he's not actually doing it. Okay, that's the only clothes I have. I don't want to really wear yellow today, so I won't be wearing yellow today. Okay. I want to wear these cute slippers. Yeah. Okay, let me just put them on. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm just gonna wait for him to be done. Okay, I'm nearly done, and I'm going to be wearing my jacket. Oh no, not jackets. Raincoats. We're going to be wearing raincoats. Yeah, thank you for telling me. No, I really didn't want you to wear it. I really wish I didn't say it so loud. Excuse me, why? Okay. Guess I'm gonna wear my shoe. No, I'm just gonna put that. Okay, I'm gonna wear my bag and do some makeup. Always makeup girl. Shut up. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on my cute. Excuse me, I don't put lip gloss because I'm a boy. Okay, so you have to be a girl. Why? Because I'm just gonna put that. Okay, actually, this is better. Okay, I guess I'm done my makeup. I'm gonna go wake up the girls. I mean, yeah, the girls. Oh yeah, here's them. Stacy, wake up! Yes, mommy, I'm rise and shine. Okay, let's brush your teeth. Okay, guys, I'm being fast so the video doesn't be so long. Okay. Let's just put. Hey, mom. Let's put some new sprayer. Let's brush your hair. Let's just wash your hands. Okay, you took a bath yesterday, so you don't have to take a bath. Would you like some skincare? Yeah. Okay. Ow! Mommy, you put it for yourself. I know, honey. Let's just wash your face. Yeah, let's just put that in. Okay, let's wake up her. Oh yeah, you have to get dressed, by the way. Okay, let's just wear you some diapers. Okay, let's, where's your, would you like to wear green for today? Yeah, no, this, okay? Because I promised Melissa that I'm going to wear that. Melissa? Who's Melissa? Melissa. Oh, I thought Melissa. Who's Melissa either? Okay, let's go wake up her. Don't worry, Mom, I woke up. Just gonna go to the bathroom. I don't need to pee. Just wash your hands. Let me just brush my teeth. I totally didn't put it like that, but I don't care. Just gonna put some perfume. Okay, I guess that's for today. Okay, not for today. I don't have skincare. I'm just gonna put some lip gloss. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Let me just go wear my beautiful clothes. It's cold outside, so I will be wearing a skirt, this thingy, and with this. No, I have a raincoat, and it's so hot in the school, so I won't be wearing like a jacket, just a raincoat. Okay, next I'm going to be wearing like long socks. Okay, where are the long socks? Oh yeah, here they are. Okay, and I'm just gonna put this bag, some flower earrings. Just take off my necklace because I've been wearing this for a very long time, and I'm just gonna put some of this makeup and my school bag. Where on earth is my school bag? So I'm just gonna take this, just hold them like that. My laptop. Mom, I'm ready. I'm not hungry, so I'm going to school. Bye. No, we're going together. Oh, together. What's happening? What on earth is happening? Let's just repeat the mom. Because something was happening with her. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. What's wrong with the bugs? I don't know. Okay, let's go, everyone. We don't need to eat breakfast, so we don't get really late. Okay, I'm gonna wear my raincoat. Me too. Me three. I'm just gonna wear this. And I'm gonna wear, I don't need these shoes. Okay, and I'm gonna wear these. And I'm gonna wear these. Okay, I'm gonna take the umbrellas. Okay, I'm gonna hold my umbrella first. Okay. Get down, honey, please. I need it. It's an emergency. Oh, come on. Okay, anyways, Come on, everyone. Is everyone ready? Yeah. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry if it was super duper, like, not so long. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, a cute heart in the comments. And see you in the next video. Bye.